Stop blaming your age for weak erections. There's a secret to male performance hidden in 3 common fruits capable of turning back the clock on your intimate vitality even after 60. Say goodbye to that low-energy feeling and the performance that fades just when you need it most. Imagine a 100% natural solution, rich in collagen, that targets the real root of the problem: poor circulation. And the most incredible part? Science backs it up. Researchers from a renowned European nutrition journal found that the #1 fruit on our list improves blood flow by an impressive 42% in just weeks. Yet, the vast majority of men remain unaware of this power. I'm Dr. Mariah, a men's health specialist. Over the past 3 decades, I've not only identified the trap many men fall into, but also discovered the natural key to disarm it. And the truth is this: your body has the ability to restore circulation where it matters most, but it needs the right tools. Tools that the billion-dollar pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know exist because they're not in a pill. They're in these 3 collagen-rich fruits. Foods you already know but never knew how to use to reactivate male circulation. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. But first, if you're determined to reclaim your vitality and improve circulation, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell, because what we share here is made specifically for men like you. And to know we're connected, if this video resonates with you, write 1 in the comments. If not, write 0. I read every response, and your feedback helps me create the content you truly need. Most men believe that performance loss after 60 is an inevitable sentence of aging. That's not true. The real villain is the drastic drop in collagen, the protein that literally supports blood circulation throughout your body. Less collagen means weaker blood vessels and consequently less flow where you need it most. That's why gradually stamina fades and passion seems to dim. This is the secret cause no one tells you about. The good news, which few know, is that it's possible to naturally boost your body's collagen production. With the right fruits, you can rebuild your vascular structure and recapture the intensity you thought was lost forever. Don't be fooled. This isn't guesswork. It's proven science. And strategy is what separates success from failure. Each fruit plays a role in a process. The #1 fruit is indeed the most powerful, but it's like the roof of a house. It's useless without first building the foundation and walls. Trying to use it alone is the mistake many make. That's why we'll start with fruit #3, the crucial foundation that will repair the base of your vitality and allow the others to work. All right, let's lay the first stone of your new vitality's foundation. Fruit #3, which sets the stage for a complete transformation, is papaya. For most, it's just a breakfast item. For men over 60, it's the strategic first step to reactivating intimate circulation and reclaiming what's been lost. So why is papaya our foundation? Remember, the villain is collagen loss. Papaya floods your system with a potent dose of vitamin C, the raw material your body desperately needs to produce more collagen. Think about it. You're literally rebuilding and strengthening the walls of your blood vessels, making them more flexible and capable of delivering robust blood flow to your intimate area. Without this solid foundation, circulation weakens, and the energy for those passionate nights simply slips away. Plus, papaya's antioxidants act like a cleanup crew, fighting the silent inflammation that sabotages your performance and undermines your confidence. But here's the golden rule that separates those who see results from those who don't. How you consume it matters. To unlock these benefits, papaya must be fresh. Canned or sugary jams are true saboteurs. Sugar inflames your body and cancels out collagen's ability to do its job. It's a mistake I see many make. Let me tell you about Anthony, a 58-year-old from Austin. He loved canned papaya, thinking it was a healthy dessert, while feeling the spark in his marriage slowly fade. He couldn't understand why, even with fruit, his vitality and circulation seemed to worsen. The problem was the sugar, stealing the potency he needed for his nights. The turning point was simple. He swapped sugary canned papaya for fresh fruit with a splash of lemon. The result? Anthony felt a new surge of vitality, and his wife noticed the difference almost immediately. And what can you feel almost instantly? Within hours, papaya's natural enzyme, papayan, improves your digestion, allowing your body to better absorb nutrients. This translates to a quick energy boost and less bloating. You might even notice a subtle warmth and a sense of readiness, setting the stage for more confident, connected, intimate moments. With inflammation reduced and the base of circulation repaired, your body is now ready. The foundation is set. Now we're ready for fruit number 2, which will build on this foundation to drastically boost your stamina. Let's keep going. With your circulation's foundation repaired by papaya, it's time to build the walls, to construct an unshakable structure of stamina. For that, we use fruit number 2, the humble yet incredibly powerful guava. I call it the vascular fortress. Many men chase exotic, expensive solutions, overlooking the power right in their local market. Guava, so tied to our fond memories, is an underrated treasure. So what's its secret? Guava is the undisputed queen of vitamin C, leaving oranges in the dust. This abundance of vitamin C allows your body to build the strongest possible collagen walls, resulting in blood vessels that don't just function, but have the resilience to maintain vigorous blood flow. This directly translates to more stamina and a firmer, intimate response. And there's more. Its powerful antioxidant, lycopene, acts as a shield, fighting inflammation and arterial stiffness that dim passion. Ignoring guava's nutrients leaves your body fighting alone, leading to disconnection and energy loss. How you consume it defines your success. Eat it fresh, skin and all. Or, for a special touch, blend it into a juice with a pinch of salt to aid mineral absorption. And please avoid processed guava paste. That delicious guava jelly is, unfortunately, a sugar bomb that sabotages your circulation and becomes an enemy of your goal. Take John 71 from Denver. Guava paste was a family tradition, a comfort, but that comfort was costing him his confidence and passion in his marriage. The simple decision to swap the processed sweet for fresh fruit wasn't small. It was the choice that reignited the spark and restored his bond with his partner. What will you feel? Right after eating, the combination of fiber and potassium helps regulate blood pressure, leaving you feeling lighter and ready for action. Vitamin C starts working immediately, and you'll feel a steady energy boost, preparing your body for a more confident, connected performance. Now the foundation is laid, and the walls are up. All that's left is the final piece, the roof that will protect and amplify this entire structure. The next fruit, the most powerful of all, will take your vitality to a level you thought you'd never reach again. Let's find out which one it is.
You've laid the foundation with papaya and built the walls of stamina with guava. Now, it's time to crown your work, to install the piece that will take your vitality to a level you might have thought was impossible to reach again. Fruit number 1, our best-kept secret, is the majestic mango, the true golden elixir for intimacy. Of all the fruits that grace our tables, mango is the most potent for this purpose. It's a radiant star that can literally boost your intimate health after 60.
But why is it the pinnacle of our protocol? Because it works in perfect synergy with the others. Mango not only provides more vitamins C and A for collagen synthesis, but also brings the crucial vitamin E, which helps regulate hormonal balance, and a unique, powerful antioxidant called mangiferin. This compound is a specialist in fighting arterial stiffness, ensuring that blood flow is not just strong but smooth and steady. Without mango's support, hormonal imbalances and weakened vessels can steal the fire needed for passionate nights, leaving you with a frustrating sense of disconnection. How you consume it is non-negotiable. Eat it fresh, in slices, in fruit salads, or blended into smoothies with a splash of lemon to preserve its nutrients. Canned mango or sweets are a disguised enemy, their sugar canceling out the benefits you're chasing. Consider the story of Rose, a 70-year-old from Miami. She loved canned mango dessert, but over time she noticed her confidence during intimate moments fading, leaving her disconnected from her partner and the nights they once shared. The processed mango was, unbeknownst to her, extinguishing the fire she valued most. By simply switching to fresh mango daily, Rose not only regained her energy, but rediscovered the connection that powerfully reignited her intimate life. What will you feel right away? After eating fresh mango, the cocktail of vitamins starts optimizing collagen production and hormonal balance almost immediately. You may feel a vibrant, pleasant warmth coursing through your body, a clear sign that your system is being primed for nights of passion, confidence, and deep connection. With mango, we complete the cycle of natural revitalization. You now have the 3-fruit protocol to rebuild your circulation from the inside out. I know the question many of you are asking now is, Dr. Mariah, what if I want to accelerate results even more? Is there a supplement that actually works with these fruits? And the answer is yes, but you need to be very careful. The truth is, 90% of male performance supplements on the market are a trap. They're formulated with cheap ingredients in forms your body simply can't absorb, meaning you're literally throwing money away. That's exactly why I did the heavy lifting for you. I spent the last few months researching and analyzing dozens of products, and I found one formula, developed in the USA, that truly impressed me. It not only uses the most bioavailable forms of essential nutrients like vitamin D3, B12, zinc, and magnesium, but its standout feature is an intense focus on boosting nitric oxide production. Think of it this way. If the fruits rebuild the vessels, this formula ensures the blood flow within them is maximized. For those serious about their performance who want to see the formula I personally trust, I've left a full breakdown and details in the pinned comment below. Gentlemen, the journey to reclaim your nights and confidence ends here, but your transformation is just beginning. From the vibrant markets of Texas to the kitchens of the East Coast, the secret to mastering your intimate vitality after 60 is now in your hands. Papaya, guava, and mango, these 3 collagen-rich treasures aren't just fruits, they're your declaration that age won't dictate the terms of your intimacy. They're your allies in rebuilding circulation, reigniting passion, and reclaiming the confidence you deserve. By embracing this knowledge, you're choosing a path of strength, connection, and unforgettable nights. You're not just nourishing your body, you're rewriting your future. So take control now. Make these fruits part of your daily routine and watch your energy and confidence soar. Your partner, your health, and your future self will thank you for choosing this path of unbreakable passion. And if you're ready for more, hit subscribe and turn on all notifications to join our community of men seeking more from life. And to know you're part of the group that made it to the end, comment the word RESTART below and tell me what city and country you're from. I love seeing our communities reach. Take care and get ready for what's next.